Have you ever happened to witness strange things while traveling on a plane? This can be a thrilling experience if you happen to get it captured on your camera. From creepy creatures in the sky to a plane getting struck by lightning, we have compiled an intriguing list of incidents for you. So stay tuned to the unexpected till the end. First on our list is passenger who spots a weird creature between seats on a flight. The video, which has since gone viral, was taken by a passenger on a commercial flight. In the video, the person walking down the aisle was being filmed. When they turned around and looked down the side of the seats, they saw something that was very strange. He laughed out loud when he saw what he saw. There were two animal legs sticking out of the space between the outside of the plane and the middle wall. Between the outside of the plane and the middle wall, there was a space where two animal legs stuck out. Because they were stuck in the small hole, the two furry legs and tail were straight. The person filming them looked on both sides of the wall and saw a cat looking at him. The cat didn't seem scared, and it didn't look like it was trying to get away. Animals aren't usually allowed on planes, so no one knows what the cat is doing. Second is strange creature or UFO filmed from airplane window. Since the object is unknown, it is technically a UFO, which stands for Unidentified Flying Object. However, the person who posted the video and many of the commenters think it is not an alien ship, but rather some kind of flying creature that has never been seen before. Someone says that new animals are found every day, and someone else says that maybe these animals are getting married. Someone else called it a sky squid. Skeptics are sure they know what the creature is. Other commenters say it's too high to be a kite or a drone. One person said with certainty, "Those are the contrails of a single-engine, twin-engine, cat aircraft in a shallow climb above the minimum contrail level." It also just went under the flight path of the plane from which the video was taken, going from left to right at a right angle. It's not leaving behind black smoke because contrails turn gray when the sun is close to or just below the horizon. Even so, it's still interesting. At the same time, someone else wrote, "Not a plane, not a drone. Yes, it's possible that something from another world slipped through for a moment. Our lives are just that. Ours." There are many more. We have no idea where we are or what we are living in. Third is Southwest Airlines video, which shows a passenger being dragged off a flight. Southwest Airlines has apologized after a video showed police dragging a woman who said she had a life-threatening pet allergy off a flight to LA. Before the plane left Baltimore, the passenger said she had a pet allergy that could kill her. According to a statement from Southwest, there was one emotional support animal and one other pet on board. Southwest said that the woman was taken off the plane by local police because she couldn't show a medical certificate that proved she was allergic. Southwest said in a statement that they were upset by how the situation went down and how the customer was taken away by local police. They publicly apologized to this customer for what she went through, and they will get in touch with her to address her issues. The video was taken by another passenger on the plane. It shows police pushing, dragging, and lifting the woman through the aisle. Southwest said, "Airline policy states that a customer without a medical certificate may be denied boarding if they report a life-threatening allergic reaction and can't travel safely with an animal on board." Southwest said, "Our flight crew tried several times to explain the situation to the customer, but she refused to leave the plane, so law enforcement was called." This is not the first time this year that a passenger was taken off an airplane against their will and caught on camera. Several airlines have kicked people off of their planes this year, which has led to viral videos and anger in some cases. Fourth on our list is emotional support for Peacock. It has come to light that a United Airlines flight crew told a woman she couldn't bring her big emotional support peacock with her. According to the travel blog Live and Let Fly, she had offered to buy the bird its own plane ticket. Still, the airline wouldn't let the bird on the plane at Newark Airport in New Jersey because its size and weight didn't meet the rules. United says the passenger knew about this before she got to Newark. The Jet Set, a talk show about travel, showed pictures of the beautiful bird and its owner as they tried to get to LA. The pictures show the animal sitting on a luggage cart at the airport while shocked passengers look on. After waiting at the airport for 6 hours, the exotic bird and the people who were with it decided to hit the road and drive across the U.S. The peacock, whose name is said to be Dexter, belongs to the Brooklyn-based artist Ventico, who posts about the peacock's life on social media. Ventico told a local culture website in 2017 that she had never left the house without at least one person reacting. Next on our list is plane caught in fire. Officials came to Miami to look into a passenger jet that caught fire as it landed at the international airport in the U.S. city. More than 100 people had to get out of the burning and damaged plane before it could be put out. Officials from the Miami-Dade Fire Department say that 3 people were taken to the hospital after the crash of Red Air Flight 203 late at night. No deaths or serious injuries have been reported among those on board. A dramatic video shows people getting out of a McDonnell Douglas MD-82 plane that is lying on its side on the runway with its nose crumpled and thick black smoke coming out of its body. The U.S. government agency in charge of looking into civil aviation accidents, the National Transportation Safety Board, said that the plane's left main landing gear broke when it touched down. The plane then left the runway and landed on grass, where a fire broke out on its right side, the report said. Red Air, a low-cost Dominican airline that just started flying in November of last year, said the plane was coming in from Santo Domingo when it had technical problems. 6th on our list is pedicure on plane. This was the horrifying moment when a woman on a plane gave herself a pedicure in front of shocked people. Footage shows the woman casually cleaning her bare feet while thousands of meters above the ground as if she were at home. The video was posted on Instagram by a user named Passenger Shaming who wrote, "Pedicures on planes are a definite no. Going barefoot on a plane is a pretty unhygienic thing to do in general. It might be gross for everyone else on the flight to see your dead skin, but it's also gross for you." 7th is the plane that was hit by a lightning bolt. A video that is going around the internet claims to show the shocking moment when a passenger plane was hit by lightning just after takeoff. The Boeing 747 in the video was reportedly Russian and had just taken off from the runway at Moscow's Vnukovo International Airport, according to the account that uploaded the video to YouTube. Upon landing at Sochi International Airport, the flight crew conducted a thorough inspection of the airplane for any signs of damage. An airport spokesman said that both pilots had been interviewed and the car was sent for a technical check, the YouTuber's description said. After being struck by lightning, the passenger aircraft can be seen in the footage experiencing a momentary jolt. Moving on to 8th is a woman which goes on caught on video rampage at Mexico City Airport. A shocking video shows a woman going crazy at Mexico City International Airport, where she attacks an airline worker and throws things at the check-in counter. Fox News said that when the crazy traveler got to the airport to catch a flight, she was seen shouting, throwing things, and jumping on a counter. She was told that the Emirates agent wouldn't let her on the plane because she was late and her passport was about to expire. The woman hit the worker and then started throwing things, including things from her suitcase and computer parts, while people at the airport tried to calm her down. She was eventually taken into custody by airport security while the police arrived. Emirates told Fox News in a statement they can confirm that on November 1, there was an incident at the check-in counter at Mexico City International Airport. A passenger who arrived late at the check-in counter was also found to be traveling with an expired passport. The Dubai-based airline said that the customer was told she couldn't go on the trip, and she became rude and violent with the ground staff, so airport security and police had to step in. No one knows the woman's name or where she was going when she crashed. Next on our list is plane engine caught on fire. A video that was shared on social media shows this scary moment when the engine of an Indigo plane caught fire as it tried to take off from India's Delhi airport. Orange flames and sparks shot out from the side of the passenger plane, which has since been grounded. The plane was flying fast down the runway. AFP says that people on the plane also heard a loud bang. One of the people going to Bengaluru, Priyanka Kumar, posted a video of the fire on Twitter. The video showed that the fire was put out quickly. Indigo 6E2131 scary thing happened on the runway in Delhi. This video was meant to be a parody, but this happened instead. In response to the tweet, the airline said it was sorry for the trouble it had caused passengers. During the takeoff roll, one of the engines stopped working. The takeoff was stopped and the plane safely returned to the bay. The Delhi police told NDTV that all 184 people on board the Airbus A320 were safe and that the crash happened around 9:45 p.m. local time. People got off the plane after 11 p.m., and the preliminary report from the aviation watchdog, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, said that the pilot had used the fire extinguisher in the engine. Last we have us is snake on a plane. A Malaysian flight had to go in a different direction because a snake was found slithering around on board. That stowaway was a snake, and no, this wasn't a sequel to that bad movie from 2006. On February 10, a single snake was seen on a domestic AirAsia flight in Malaysia. The strange sight was caught on video. A video that has gone viral on TikTok shows the snake moving around inside a light fixture on the flight. We're glad we weren't there to see it. AirAsia told CNN that the pilot changed the plane's course when he found out there was a snake on board. No one was hurt in the incident. After landing, the plane was fumigated. So this was all about incredible things that passenger captured. And if you liked today's video, then do check out more videos like this on our channel. Also do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more updates.